Monday, January 30th edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Meteorologist Matthew East back in the saddle here this morning after a little bit of time off. And we're starting off the new week here with a pretty good shot of some colder weather that's temporarily in place. Not going to last that long. We'll warm up midweek, and then we'll see if we get any interesting stuff late week, which I'll discuss in just a moment. There's a look from the Greensboro tower camera early this morning. We'll take a peek down in Charlotte as well this morning as we start off this Monday. Cutting this video just after 5 o'clock this morning. Temperature in Charlotte 30. Wind's going to be a little bit gusty at times today, gusting anywhere from 10 to 20 plus miles per hour for a period of time. So it's going to be a chilly day here on this Monday. These were your Sunday high temperatures across the region. Cool, but it'll be colder today around the Triad area, 40s in the foothills, the low 50s for a lot of the rest of the viewing area, lots of low and mid 50s in the Charlotte viewing area. Kind of interesting when I landed there at the Charlotte airport yesterday evening. It was actually snowing up there at a few thousand feet elevation coming in from the north. And then a lot of that snow was either changing over to some sprinkles or evaporating. And now this morning, you see some snow flurries that have been flying in the parts of the foothill areas, mountains especially, picking up a little bit of snow, but even a few of those snow flurries breaking containment in the parts of the foothills and the Piedmont early today. On the backside of a departing low that's up there off the Jersey shore and heading further out to sea. Now, your temperature is pretty cold. This is a decent little transient shot of colder air that's moving in. Right now it's sitting at 17 in Indianapolis and Chicago, 15 in Milwaukee, 17 in Minneapolis. But look at the milder air of the southern plain states. That is heading in our general direction, and we'll have a much milder weather setup tomorrow and Wednesday before it cools down again late week. So today, lots of sunshine out there for us. For instance, there's the Triad viewing area futurecast wind product today. It will be a little bit breezy. Here's what we're going with for highs this afternoon across the region. Chilly day. And then lows tonight shape up like that. Fairly cold night ahead. There's a look at Tuesday, though. Much milder air getting in place. Here's our highs tomorrow afternoon. That's a quick temperature turnaround. Even a little bit milder just ahead of this next front on Wednesday. There's our Wednesday highs around the region. Real quick, let me show you the Beach Mountain Parkway cam from our friends there, resortcams.com. Snow on the ground. 18 there at Top Beach Mountain. And this was the latest ski resort information. These numbers and these snow totals and whatnot, these base depths will be updated later this morning. But that was the count as of very early this morning. There'll be some pretty good powder conditions with that natural snow and colder weather in place. So here's what's happening aloft on the European model. This trough swinging through today. Let's go on out to Friday night, another piece of energy off to the north moving in, and then eventually here comes yet another system on Sunday. So let me kind of step you through this here. I'll start with the GFS, and we'll go with today. That's quiet stuff overall. Tomorrow, warm up. Wednesday, even milder. Now as we get into Thursday, a little bit cooler as a cold front will have moved on through. Friday, I think some showers of possibility. We'll watch the timing of that. If any of that precipitation were to get in early in the day, can't rule out a little bit of wintry precip, but I don't think that is a huge deal right now. But then behind that, a decent shot of some colder air for Saturday. Saturday looking at this point cold and dry. And then here comes the next system moving in. The GFS with the 0Z run advertised a low pressure heading up toward the Ohio River. Now this is daybreak Sunday. And we go out then to early afternoon Sunday. And then Sunday afternoon. Now, if this precipitation were to get in here early Sunday, could definitely be a period of some wintry precip in the cold air damming areas especially. And the European kind of has that same idea too. There's Sunday, and a lot of this would be in the form of a little bit of a wintry mix in the foothills and the adjacent Piedmont area Sunday morning if that precipitation gets in here. Now following that, the European actually right there brings another similar scenario in for Tuesday morning of next week. Now this is 8 days away, a long way down the road, but something to watch. So we'll have to watch the timing of the arrival of these precipitation areas down the road here in the medium range. All right, that is it for the latest edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.